What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable NameDrop, a feature on your iPhone that automatically shares your contact information with nearby devices. NameDrop is turned on by default, which means that your iPhone is ready to quickly share your contact details with others. To turn off NameDrop and other similar features, open your Settings app and navigate to General. From there, tap on AirDrop. In the AirDrop settings, look for an option labeled Bring Devices Together and toggle it off. This will disable NameDrop and prevent your iPhone from automatically sharing your contact information with nearby devices. If you don't see these options on your device, it might be because you're not running the latest version of iOS. In that case, open your settings, go to General, and then select Software Update. Download and install any available updates and then check the AirDrop settings again. If you only want to disable NameDrop temporarily, you can easily re-enable it when you need to share your contact information and then turn it off again afterward. This gives you full control over when your contact details are shared. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.